delicious chocolate sunscreen. Is that a clickbait title? I don't know. But this video isn't about a topical sunscreen that you can also eat. It's about foods that will upgrade your skin's armor against sun damage. Now, I have written an article on a good DIY sunscreen with the formula and instructions, and if that's what you were looking for, then I'll post a link below. The article also talks about the different forms of UV light and why that matters, and the dangerous aspects of commercial sunscreens that you really ought to know about before you go slathering that on your skin or on your kid's skin. It's really kind of scary stuff. So if you're concerned with skin health and you want to learn about those types of things, I really think you'll enjoy reading the article, so check out that link. But for now, let's talk about ORAX scores, and this is important. ORAX stands for Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity, and it's a measure of a food's ability to absorb free radicals. And free radicals are produced when our skin is exposed to ultraviolet light, and they are one of the primary causes of damage to the skin. That's oversimplifying it, but you can look at the article for a deeper explanation. So, free radicals in this context equals bad. Okay, moving on. If we can absorb those free radicals before they do damage, then we can stop the damage before it starts, and we can also help to repair any damage that does get through. And that's why I like to think of foods with a high ORAX score as edible sunscreens. So let's use some high ORAC value foods to make some delicious chocolate sunscreen. Start with milk as your base. Add a heaping spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder. It has an ORAX score of over 55,000. Use a sweetener if desired. Clove powder, just a sprinkle so it doesn't overpower the flavor. Its ORAX score is over 290,000. A good shake of cinnamon, ORAC value of over 131,000. A generous shaking of nutmeg powder with an ORAC value over 69,000. A pinch of black pepper to stimulate absorption. And powdered coconut milk just for the flavor and to add a creamy texture. Blend it up. You could also add some ginger or turmeric. Really, any of your kitchen spices will have a high ORAC value. Now drink it up. Remember though, this is a nutritional effect, so you're not going to just drink a glass of it and then instantly become sunproof. Give it a couple of weeks to start building up in your system as you drink what is effectively a big glass of chocolate milk every day, and enjoy!